Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na ha na brema kwan na ye de siase da na ye odia so je bre hwe ye ukofie ukọ adwuma na upie dia awade mfa nkomra na mom wetumi ahwe live on so Facebook/Adom TV se enye wo na wo ye hyenkeni no na fa adwuma dia hodo ne ato aso mo hene kwabna asante ejina ne nan so se de bon krata na tie ne online stories no ebraso se ye de bro be me na no pay ye mo ache
majoso obi dum bie ni obi dofo papa bi majoso iri se bibia e kama PRO hwem ya hwem kwa eze babasem be ye adwuma edi ka o ka bibia da o se aminyi ni nsem fi bo no na ye masemba ntino machia PRO ni abusuafo no yire nom as young as you are well obi ntimi isi obi akono ade kwan there, but as young as you are at age 40 no for ma 4 probably this at 50 no be for 5 near high. Okay, so at 40 I was 6, it's very normal. The ubo homodin wa bra we kuani as I drop any a painter and I was a technical person or multimedia and very much now only oyirenom no ma enu abusu nyina. Well, if you dey said Nana Dan Kwaku last year ending no na catch up so be changes. Obetu kwa amanone na so be ko UK no changes ne be ba. And pay my main country Ghana for this year, titru MPP for you say a Greek minister, Dr. Ousu F. Akuto Free, on your Greek minister beam. Intino, I saw no permanent, on also the resignation letter. No, and pay as we are talking, no, on Namkwema Oko Jubilee House at the Akoma president. I tell you on authority, say, Dr. Ousu Efriye Akoto one a Greek ministry no ebe ton kwanta pai anope ya by close of day today eti se open so woni pa oye so dia e bia making kan kakra dia ma no woni pa oye e ma revisi eru akwadwo Alan Chelemanten trade minister ono so asifom ye ka say de caretaker minister ne ye the finance minister Ken Oforiatta enti ye hwe eni de Ghana mampanyi o de krata abase waje atuma the Obama caretaker minister so a Greek ministry to ministry of Greek Ghana nyina and the minister no or the resignation letter no Jubilee House na enche ibe hu se mampanyi so aje atum we enkomo a akoso ama bibia akokama antiase aye adwuma o hwe nsi anamu ni e wo Jubilee House enkomo ni yidi a etese bibia ye kama ene the shares of the krata na bana mampenya ajatum na afi ono so atiesim said ye yewura Kennedy Japan atiesim said ye yewura Alan Tremantin so atiesim said ye yewura Joga Temone omomaka kanyina na tititisim no sa pepepe anaye na bia na obezo hu ni power ya honorable Dr. Ousu Efriye Akoto or graduated from the University of Ghana Legon with a Bachelor of Science degree in agriculture and obtaining MSc and PhD degrees in agriculture economics from the University of Cambridge, England. Osaya Juma as an economist, senior economist, principal economist, and a chief economic advisor. If you do Nwotwe, a international coffee organization in London, England. Osaya Juma as consultant to the World Bank and the United Nations on soft commodities, cocoa, coffee, and sugar. And Nwotwe Sokrano Osai CEO, 2 international commodity companies, Goldcrest Commodities Limited and a Plantation Resources Limited, in our Ghana Hansi. In 2007, he appointed the chairman of the MPP Manifesto Committee and was the principal author of the party's manifesto for the 2008 elections. Subsequently, he served as Member of Parliament in 2008. With the 2 terms as Member of Parliament for Kwadaso constituency, Kumasi, Asante Mantem. Now all Parliament, no, a deputy ranking member and subsequently obey the substantive ranking member for the Committee on Food, Agriculture and Cocoa Affairs until 2017. So in 2017, he appointed the Minister for Food and Agriculture. In this role, was spearheaded the design and implementation of the government of Ghana's popular and transformational agriculture flagship program, Planting for Food and Jobs. Your body deep and say Planting for Food and Jobs near Kanwasem. Under the leadership Nankase BMS what transform the bread basket of Ghana according to me. And which is Ghana was ranked 4th on the African continent by the Economic Intelligence Unit in its Global Security Index. And the year 2019, the same sector so it grew strongly by 4.7%. In Tiakasi, a kind of one summer, and in the Nyoma Waya, Mijidi a dorsey yipa. It comes across as a surprise. So, what you did the Juma Atoho, say MPP Amanyuku, a Sia Hinifono, between delegates, no, on the movie Komo, Amamotimia say, Samutina see here, and your natures or no, and Obaya Franca Tuni, Ediama, the new patriotic party, or the Kushia, the obvious NDC flag bearer. The former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The honor of Mobile John Dramani Mahama, any pen enum are who an impano. Your era Kennedy, a compare Japan. Your era a year Dr. Oushe Friyakutu. Your era Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Your era Alan Kwadjo Chirematin. Your era Joe Gatti. Anafi era a year Boache Ejako. Meaning, say, Mamponi this year no so. A breast will be in it. Papa, waiting a day more. Yes, I also era Cabinet Japan. Anafi era Apreku. And so, yeah, yeah, era Apreku so. Do you know Anya Nipa Ben Conodie? Or be you, Mutina, 18 we are. MPP Amanyo Kun, almost shame, no, almost afraid we be super delegates. Some num bribia dana, the Omo and some Kushia, et Tumoswaba. Na any pen numa mobedican was abato no. Na fe yasaba Tumoswaba, near Ibako, no baba party NPP no, Franca Tuni. So exciting moments, exciting times ahead. By myself, only date crabble. One of the dailies. And what's a Bekwakusi. And as Mamenka said, Badwam, your guest, special guest, Deputy Minister of Information, Obasono, Yamami, Yaba, Abedu, maybe see Fati, maybe see Fatima, and the Fatima Fatima in a different room. Maybe for the country. They say, Fati and one Fatima.
To crack on.
Or the two also.
Fatima too.
Oh, suppose you know what now? A Fatima too.
A dining in Anno.
A dining in Anno. What did I get? So, Deputy Minister of Information, a special guest.
Nice.
And pay. Come over, begin to one casa, the kind and come over, Baba team. Now, make house a reshuffle, Macacho, cabinet ministers too, on the coffee. Maybe. I make a work with that. 2 on the coffee, maybe. Omojumano, Ghana, Adom, Massam, and Penso, Dormaster. Now, for 2 substantive ministries are deputies, ministers, and so at the home, and also at the deputy ministers too, almost about substantive ministers. Now, for Minister Bako, Dimu Pay, Pabako, the presidency, Minister of State, in charge of, you know. Because me hear it with you there. Who's there? Jumano, Menamaja, and I'm paying. Now, whom you person of you UK, the crowd be Jack as a Makadia and a Minka, Benakranka. There are new entrants too. Ma, almost ever quam before. It's our for Monsha's lobby.
This time, I'm penny back and
Monsha's lobby. Mofa for Deanim Rabra up. You write your brony moon in our venture capital, Monsha's. Kumau for Monsha's lobby. You know, Kumau, Ufri Bruce, Tama, no one in your contem. Yes, oh, but now I'm a paying Abu Boy, we are a friend. And Monsha's Kumau, Rasso, Abotanso, Monsha's Afo, Monsha's a coin abator, Resha for a bar. Timon Prene, Fia, who's in Wuramubi. Not be being Timon Kokama.
Okay, the Mammy Channel, not what I
I don't watch it on our bonnet. Hey, we are assembly. Doctor engineer Nana Atuata.
Me man official.
We the fiachi no the see asem so. Mama chia John Bodu. Mama chia Milisi asem so. No, me kwa me fan tinche. Milisi asem so.
Oh wow.
Yes. Me catch no point blank say. The next reshuffle in this administration, John Bodu, part of the.
Oh, sir.
Makacho. Enti huncha na odi kan.
But we should have specific.
Met metro ministry oko. So di chima metro ministry oko. Ana presidency wan kasa oba tampa ba ko so betutu na se. Enti no so no. The reshuffle we dey fekeke. Enye adwuma ketewa. Enye adwuma ketewa enti.
By end of.
Oh, president betu kwan any moment after 14th. I'm sure before or anadwuna so opesa de
no they are too much.
The tira sem no we dey tira sem.
Enye na mama
Debi nye kasa tintin bia. Mr. Mo na mesa kai mo say 2023 the ye bia let's take position. It's very important. Ghana take position. Very important. The common tiase. Nioma asha ase ekoso amanane miamia hodo bi no, especially on this matter of gayism and lesbianism no. As we speak now as of my Ghana, we don't have a position. We don't. Let's start taking positions. A Christopher in Cremophone shall say more money in your ding. Or money in your ding. And I'm called standards as someone and probably monty. I said, but I have first standards I near Juma. I still stand by Sarah Rasta man now. We are Jane or now. You go back and forth on a chimata on my dear. I know to sue her. That didn't I'll call law school. They can't say you are body changing anyway. I didn't hear. So I've been. No, I qualify for law school. Now, can I see you and you know, way. So passe. We are Bema. Jamina for call law school. So standards are falling because we are compromising. Standards, top form of my Ghana, you are to say top form. It will be normal. Normal. Mamun Kase, oh, new master celebrate Daniel who been to be okay, and I tell you after all, standards no follow and they follow. It is sports for no to bar. Professor Ike Wallace Bar. Busan say Africa Games, you know. Say Beba so dia Oma Humbuano atonsium. Busa Professor Ike Wallace say Africa Games no Beba so dia atonsium. Because Oma Humbua pa Ghana Humbua pa. Ti Wallace mo ba no mo kasa bebrebe sa. I'm wondering the kind of sports journalist omutimi di ejato ministry na pampem hwese sa anyoma we nyina betimi akoso.
But back to a standard for education, Hormudi. Who's the eye? Papa. Now, Uhe and Prano, Mano, the American say, Associate more young Coretia, once a name. And no cranket to one. Oh, say, young ones and Abano. Be a Brabono because of for no a certain freedom be. Sir, the idea film to a person and man should be famubi. To be a person and medi. Now, we have young crankets and kits. A boy, the young cranny too. And then cranny hair cut. Say, now, who Suku knew haircut in the teacher so the other day. And the intimate cat, you bring a quadrufour, and your mom easy means to be successful. Oh, there be. A quadrufour. And I say, Diomba, and Nipa quadrufour no super or as a person or ye. Obi oya quadrufour no, or no person say, and a year no person or sapper the shortest means I have fast. O phone na Ukraine no be pepe. Car na wo dem we no be mi wa wo nya adwuma. Wo hwe wa wo bosumi akatua sika wo nya sa car na your level. Enyo level. Yes, standard no fa usika live according to your
exactly. Yes, any more heading. You can't look credit. But many more heading also cut your expenditures bia. Would you say enya papa? Best say e ba na ye kasa e pu eni baby ani ho a ajo enyina ye miemia so kakra se ne be ya betimi yensa betimi aso ye ye chidware ti we asema ye ka na no pe ba ye call online so
video bi e wo Instagram na osofu bi me ne didi e manya ba na trending video bi e ko na odi afutuo ma say enye prophecies ene mpaye na ebem obi edi ya na say nemom eye service like wadu bibi a wo ye on wo bompa ya sha wonkom afi kwabena betoka na betoka dia na ode toka onya adwuma
na se enno ayedi sanko edi ewu bibia ye bia as oman ni mu nipa nyina no ene nipa ko abisa chance o mokosua exam adwuma
aha
nipa ko abisa
I receive it me wonya adwuma
PR sorry a empaibo ko twi ko brema nyina no o mfi Pentecost prayer camp apostolic prayer camp no ko we prayer camp all from Monday to Monday nyina no prayer sessions ahodo obekoronya adwuma ketwa that's what we are leaning on. Who says prayer is not good? But prayer without action who activate you a ujina de ojina wo oni ma abusa wallace so oni ma abusa no after empaibo o initiated by faith obeko okopa adwuma na amfa okopa contract na amfa oboso otukwawe na amfa ba ni nyina mu no otu one day na som na ekọ also the do betra as pilot in terminate the be ni 3 seconds bi am time so
then ya bosso na we ya rock so ba adomonline.com e wa ha say ma mienu na tipa cargo
truck no
kuma se
and tifa so na
yes me say na make say truck akese no omo servicing no because omo fan come mechanic shop ntino I don't know how they do their services it's ya ho rekosam no adomonline.com ne dia wono dia ba no na oba wa afo bi one ni kunu dada ye se ne ba ba mu a ofafa fa ne to na me ma no ya se mo enhance mo body o ese nya ma no kwa na enhance o ne to mo ehe no mo enhance o ya sho
ya fu na ba fo fu be ma ko de la ko
ya se me ma no de ya to no
ya fu
wafuno me ka say oda so bubu di ati bi mbe so omu de ye kesi mini ba bi omu de ko she nyame abobi ane ne size du mana bro so Ghana na ye wo ye size ye wa man bia no omu size
tu ya bro so na fia ye expecting the The Ghanaian Times, on occasion of 30th anniversary of Fourth Republic, let's work to protect our democracy, President Naka say, and Ghanaians have responsibility to uphold 1992 Constitution, NCC boss Naka Sano. Ghana to host Africa Prosperity Dialogue, and what's more, and Ghana gas workers unhappy with Gensa deal. Daily Guide. First Sky Group aims high, and businessman commends NDC executives, the big one. MPP decides January 31 for elections. Behave yourself in public. Ajinasari to NDC. And after taxi driver murdered at Mampo. All right, so Edesia, Osorano Pebia Catron, me wofe, me sombo, me are proud to be a Ghanaian, Unyaminti, many mungwasida. So help me God.
Amen.
Edesia, I'm not,